Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you the side table that is next to my sofa, and my goal here is to how to decorate the side table, how to maximize the storage space, how to decorate it in such a way where it looks clean and elegant. We also call it as a side table or end table, whatever you may call it. It goes to the corner of the wall or next to the window. So let's move on, and please stay tuned until the end of the video so that you can. So friends, this is the first thing that I would like to put it on my side table. This is like, actually it came with the table mats. I bought a couple of table mats and I thought this would go very well here. And also on top of it, I don't like to show the dust because on wooden tables the dust show very easily. So if you cover this, you don't have to clean it every day. Bought it as a set, 4 table mats, and usually we think, oh, table mats don't go well on the side tables. It does, you know. You can keep changing your table mats to the side table as well, so that you get a new look every time. Also, you get to just get to buy one, and usually table mats are cheaper when comparative to the side table mats. So that's the reason I selected. And look at how simple and yet neat it looks. Okay, so let's move on to the next one that I selected for this. This is a very small glass tray that I selected here. It's very heavy. I don't know where to keep this. So I thought, okay, if I don't know where to keep it as a storage purpose, I can keep it here, and it's heavy, but it looks very neat. So the reason why I would like to put this is you can put some keys, you can put remotes, you can, if you are putting some plants, then if water spills, it won't directly go to the table. It will just stay in here. So the next thing that I'm selecting here is a small plant. I love plants. One day I'm going to do the show with all the plants that I have. So this is the plant. It's like from a money plant kind of thing. It's like a creeper basically. The reason why I selected this one, it drops on down to the table, and look at how elegantly it's looking. Palm touch to the side table. That's the reason I like and I love plants. And this is a small white pot. I do have the small thing at the bottom, but if water spills, this small glass tray will save, not affecting my wooden table. So that's the reason whenever I put plants, I always like to put some tray so it won't overspill the water, and if it spills also it will save. So the next thing I would like to show here, this is a gray small kind of a plant. It's a money plant. I have a big money plant. All I did was I cut that and then put it in water, and then I got a new plant here. So this is also, if you want, you can drop it here. If you want, you can do whatever you like to do. So I like it like this. So this is how the side table half portion is done of decorating. The thing I selected is Buddha. So here you get like a calm, serene, and very like a meditation feeling, and so that's the reason I selected. So the next one I selected is like a lucky plant or a bamboo plant. I got a small pot here and I put some water. So if you put it to the corner, look at how nicely it's elevating the entire table look. And if you notice, all I selected here is the grayish, whitish and blackish colors, and then this like a wooden touch feeling, and all this like goes very well. This is how, and you can readjust whichever way you like, but this is the goal that I would like to show. And especially on the side table, if you have plants, you'll get a lot of oxygen. It's very elegant at same time. You have 3 plants on your side table, and so that's a lot of oxygen. So that's the reason whenever I have an end table, I always like to go with plants, with a very good clean looking and easy maintenance plants, so that the money plants are very easy to maintain. And the next thing that I selected, this one, it's a small storage kind of thing where I can put it here, because we have a lot of chargers. We don't know where to store the chargers. Kids have like their phone chargers, everything, and it's very hard to keep everything like here. So that's the reason I selected this. I was like putting all these chargers on top of the side table. It was not looking good. So I finally ended up buying this, and I measured this with this width, and I went and got it. So it's like easy to take it, and it won't hurt your wooden table because it is a cloth one. It won't hurt. And I also usually when I wrap it, I do it like this so it won't go anywhere, and it's easy. Instead of you putting everything like this, you just wrap it everything neatly so that it's easy for you to see which one is what. And kids also, you can teach them so that they don't misplace things and all that. So look at this. It's a very big wire, but this is how I wrapped it. So see, look at this. So this is like super big, and then all you have to do is wrap it, and this wrap will not go, and it won't even hurt your wires. So all these things I'm going to put it here. So friends, this is the final look of the side table. You can easily compare the before and after, and let me know what you all think. And look at the storage here. You can also add more storage if you want. You can put 2 boxes. It depends, but I like this one because it's gray. It's matching very well with the spot, so that's the reason I selected this color. And also please do like, share and subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Signing off, this is Shilpa. Have a good one. Bye.